Welcome. If you've been using Telegram Web on your PC and noticed that your archived chats are missing from a specific folder, you're not alone. With the latest Telegram update, there's now an easy way to unexclude archived chats from any folder, so you can keep all your important conversations in one place. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to make sure your archived chats show up where you want them. First, open Telegram Web on your computer. Sign in if you haven't already. Once you're in, look at the top of your chat list for the Folders section. These folders help you organize your chats by categories like work, family, or anything you choose. Now, find the folder where you want your archived chats to appear. Move your mouse to the folder name at the top side menu. Right-click on the folder. This will open a menu with several options. From here, select Edit Folder. Inside the folder editing screen, you'll see different settings for what chats are included or excluded from this folder. Look for the option that says Add Excluded Chats and click on it. Here, you'll notice a list of categories with checkboxes, including one labeled Archived. If Archived is checked, it means archived chats are currently being excluded from this folder. To include them, simply uncheck the Archived box. This tells Telegram to show archived chats inside this folder, along with your other conversations. Once you've unchecked Archived, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the window. Your folder will now update, and archived chats will be visible, just like any other chat. That's it. You've successfully unexcluded archived chats from your folder on Telegram Web. This update gives you more control over how your chats are organized, making it easier to keep track of everything that matters to you. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tips for getting the most out of Telegram. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly organized chat folders.